How fast can I make this RC car go if I fit it with a Formula One innovation that creates lots of downforce?
We built a fan using a high-speed electric motor and 3D printed blades. Initial fan tests showed that we were getting around 6.4 kilograms of downforce, equal to the car's weight.
That is so difficult to pick up.
After tweaking the skirt for an optimal seal to the ground, we could hit the road. The bumpy surface made things a bit tricky, but on the smoothest straight section, the fan's downforce let us hit 0 to 60 in just 2.2 seconds, which is actually faster than a modern Formula One car. Pretty crazy.
If you like this, then make sure to subscribe to Project Air down below.